Good morning, children. So, last class we have discussed few problems of the exercise 3.6. Okay, today the statement problems of the same exercise we will check it out. So, what is the heading you will be having means formulate the following problems as a pair of equations and hence find their solutions. First, we had to frame the equation, then we had to solve. In that, a board problem we had taken. A boat goes 30 kilometer upstreams, distance it is upstream, and 44 kilometers downstream in 10 hours. Timings they have given 10 hours. In 13 hours, it can go 40 kilometer upstream and 55 kilometer downstream. This is the one more condition. Okay, determine the speed of the stream and that of the boat in a still water. Two speeds you have to find. One is speed of stream we have to find, and one more boat. Speed of boat we have to find. Okay, that's why let us take that the speed of the boat in a still water be x kilometer per hour, whereas the speed of the stream is y kilometer per hour. Boats we are taking x, whereas stream speed we are taking as a y. So whenever boat goes downstream, the speed adds up. Stream speed adds up. That's why it is x plus y when it is downstream. Whenever it goes upstream, it is subtracts. It should go against the water force. That's why it is x minus y kilometer per hour. Okay. So what is the formula of speed? Distance by time. But here we are having a time. Isn't it? 10 hours, 13 hours like that. That's why you had to derive the formula in terms of time. Time will be equal to distance by speed. So when the boat goes 30 kilometer upstream, okay, time taken will be T1 we are taking. That's why T1 is equal to, what is the distance? 30 kilometers. Speed is, upstream speed is x minus y. Okay. Now, when it comes downstream, T2 with the time in hours taken by the boat to go 44 kilometers downstream. Okay, then it will be taken as a T2. So, 44 kilometer is the distance. Downstream, the speed will be x plus y. So, total time taken is 10 hours. So, T1 plus T2 is equal to 10. That is 30 by x minus y plus 44 by x plus y is equal to 10. Add this T1 and T2 you add, that is 10 hours. Total time taken is 10 hours. That's why you will be getting this. Call this as an equation 1. Okay. Now, one more equation you have to frame with the different timings they are given. So, in the second case, what happens? 13 hours it can go 40 kilometers upstream and 55 kilometer downstream. This is the one more thing. Here the T1 will be, okay, distance will be 40 kilometers upstream, that's by x minus y. Downstream is 55, that's by x plus y. We are getting T1 as this, T2 is this. Total hours is 13 hours. Together I am writing. I am not writing some individually again. Directly we have taken. Now both the equations will be having x minus y and x plus y at the denominator part. That's why you take down 1 by x minus y as a u and 1 by x plus y as an v. Okay. Substitute those in 1 and 2. That time our equation will become 30u plus 44v is equal to 10. Here 40u plus 55v is equal to 13. Okay. Let us solve it out. Both you have to convert to a simpler form. Divide by 2 this one. That time it is 15u by 22v is equal to 5 we are getting. So substitute for u. 5 minus 22. U value will be getting 5 minus 22 2v by 15. This value you have to substitute in one more equation, that is 4. U value you are substituting here, 40 as it is, U is this 5 minus 22v by 15 plus 55v is equal to 13. From 15 and 40 you cancel, from 3 ones are 5 3s are 5 8s are. So 8 5s are 40, plus into minus minus, 22 8s are 176v we are getting, by 3 is here, plus 55v is equal to 13. Take the LCM, 3 is the LCM, this will be as it is, 55 into 3 is 165 we are getting, is equal to 13. Send 3 to this side. So here 40 as it is, subtraction, 1 is plus, 1 is minus. 176 minus 165 is 11v. 13 into 3. Okay, 13 3 is 39, you send to the LHS part, this one you send to the RHS part. 40 minus 39 is equal to 11v. So subtraction is 1. So v will be 1 by 11. We got v value. Here you can observe 3s are 8s are. Okay. Then LCM is 3, we are taking, only 3 is left, this from 8 we are multiplying, 8 5s are 40, minus as it is, 8 into 22 is 176v, 55, again LCM, this is the thing we are getting. So finally we get v value as a 1 by 11, okay. Substitute this v value in equation 5, this is equation 5. U is equal to 5 minus 2v is equal to 15. In that you substitute v value. That time you will be getting this thing. 22 of 1 by 11. 11 ones are 11 2s are 2 you are getting. 5 minus 2 by 15. That is 3 by 15. 3 ones are 3 5s are. So u value is 1 by 5. Now we will go with the basic thing. U is 1 by x minus y, so just interchange. X minus y is equal to 1 by 4, 1 by u. What is u value? 1 by 5, 5 will go up. So you will be getting equation as x minus y is equal to 5. Next, v is what? 1 by x plus y, whereas interchanging these two, x plus y is equal to 1 by v, which is 1 by 11, 11 will go up. We will be getting 11. So x plus y is equal to 11 we are getting. These two equations you solve. Call this as a 5 and call this as a 6. Solve them. So x minus y is equal to 5. X plus y is equal to 11. Plus y minus y get cancelled. 2x. 11 plus 5 is 16. So x will be 16 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 8s are, x is 8. Okay. Now x we got, we need a y value. In any one of the equation you substitute. First one only I took, x minus y is equal to 5. X is 8 minus y is equal to 5 as it is. Send 5 to this side, y to this side. 8 minus 5 is equal to y, whereas y is 3. So what it gives, x we have considered as the speed of the boat. So speed of the boat in still water is 8 km. What is the speed of a stream means? It is 3 km per hour. This is the problem you will be having. Thank you, children.